In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to use Parkinson's law to get more done. If you don't know, Parkinson's law is the idea that the more time we dedicate to a specific task, the longer it will take to complete. By applying Parkinson's law in a few different ways, you can get your to-do list completed quicker and spend less of your days filling in time just to look busy. Start a running against the clock. Start by making a list of the tasks that you need to complete and divide them by the amount of time it will take you to achieve them. Then give yourself half the time to complete the tasks. For this to work, you need to see that making a time limit is crucial. You need to treat it like any other deadline and see them as unbreakable. Consolidate for time fillers. Be on the lookout for the little time fillers like email and social media, and cut down the time that you are spending working on them. If you usually end up spending 30 minutes responding to emails, start giving yourself only 5 minutes to do the task. Don't give these little tasks any more time until you've completed everything on your to-do list. Take frequent breaks. To fully utilize Parkinson's law to increase your productivity, start taking frequent breaks. Because of the nature of the concentrated effort you are asking yourself to perform, without frequent breaks, your brain gets tired and starts to shut down and unable to function in the same way. You will only be able to increase your productivity by learning when to stop and being able to step away. Transforming your work and becoming more productive doesn't just happen. It takes a plan and a support system to be successful. Understanding the idea behind Parkinson's law and adjusting your work to stick to it and fully utilize it, you will start to see a substantial increase to your productivity.